Welcome to PRECYKIDS TV! Let's learn and play together! Don't forget to subscribe!
Quack, quack, who's coming today? 5 little ducklings ready to play. Splash in the water, wiggle your feet. Come along everyone, let's clap to the beat. PRECYKIDS TV! 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came waddling back. Count together! 5, 4, quack, quack. 4 little Indian runner ducks splashed in the pond, together, happy
Quack,
and
quack,
strong.
quack,
Mama
quack.
duck
But
said,
only
quack,
3
quack,
came
quack,
waddling
quack,
back.
quack. But only 3 little ducks came waddling back. Let's count! 4, 3, quack, quack. 3 little ducks chased butterflies
2,
under rainbows, blue sunny skies. Mama duck called quack, 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 quack. But only 2 little ducks came waddling back. Count! 3, 2, quack, quack. 2 little
Indian runner ducks jumped with delight, playing together, morning till night. Mama Indian runner duck called
quack, but only 1 little duck came waddling back. Count! Count! 1, quack, quack. 1 little duck looked all around, listening softly to every sound. Mama duck called quack, 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 but no little ducks came waddling back. Oh no! Where did they go? Mama duck smiled and waddled away, looking for ducklings on this sunny day.